Okay, dear students, we are in NCERT class 12 mathematics integrals. Okay, integrals we have already started 7.7 exercise in the last class. We have seen some new concepts, square root of x square minus a square dx, or square root of a square minus x square dx, or square root of a square plus x square dx. These three we have derived, and we have done 3 questions also from exercise 7.7. See, standards we have derived very easily, not much very easily, but comfortably. But questions have taken much time. Now let us adopt some new technique, not very much new technique, but different technique to complete these questions. Okay, see formula we cannot remember that those many formulas, those many formulae. Okay, that is better to try to do by taking some T or A like that. Let us see how to do and all from question number 4 onwards. We will see. See, integral square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 dx. How to deal such type of integrals? Normally, by looking it is going to appear like x plus 2 whole square plus or minus something. X plus 2 whole square. Okay. See, I am writing here. If it is x plus 2 whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4. But here 1 is there. Then what you have to do? See what I am doing now. X square plus 4x plus 4. But you require 1 plus 1. You have to remove 4 minus 4. Is it okay? First you see. Okay? But because x square plus 4x plus 1. X square plus 4x plus 1. 4 minus 4 are going to get cancelled. Okay? See, plus 1 minus 4, you separate. You see what I am doing now. X plus 2 whole square. This is over. 1 minus 4 minus 3. See, minus 3 how I am writing. Is it okay? X plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square means root 3 whole square is going to come 3. X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 3 plus 1. Plus 1 only you require. Okay, like this you change it. Okay, now you see what we are going to do. Integral x plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square, but this will be under square root into 1 dx. Into 1 dx you must write. Okay, into 1 dx you must write. Okay, see, now what I am going to do, observe carefully. I am going to take x plus 2 as t. Let t is equal to x plus 2. I am going to take root 3 as a. A is equal to root 3. Okay. Then this will be like how? This will be like this. Implies integral t square minus a square under root dt. Okay, dt, like that you take. Understand now? T square minus a square dt. Okay, now you see we have to do this. Final result will come. There we will substitute t and a values. Okay, see how I am doing. See how I am doing. Okay, into 1 is there. Formula I am writing, you see. I is equal to integral uv dx, that is equal to u integral v dx minus integral du by dx integral v dx whole dx. Okay, this will be the formula. And how I am proceeding, you see. This you take as u and 1 as v. Okay, see, u t square minus a square under root integral v dx. Integral v means 1 dx minus integral d by dx of u d by dt. See, don't write it x, you write t. Why? Because we are doing with t. Here variable is t. Okay, t. d by dt of t square minus a square under root again integral dt whole dt. Is it okay? First you see. Okay? Now see, integral dt is t. Write down. I is equal to t square root of t square minus a square minus integral d by dt of square root of t square minus a square. See, d by dx of root x like it is there. First you take 1 by 2 root x t square minus a square. Again inside t square minus a square with t, 2t. Integral dt t. dt. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay, now see, once again I am doing, see, 2 are going to get cancelled here. Okay, t square is going to happen, t square. See what I am writing, that is equal to t into square root of t square minus a square under root minus integral. See, now 2 is not there, 2 got cancelled, t into t square. T square by t square minus a square. T square minus a square under root dt. Is it okay? Okay. Now what I am going to do, this is I. I is equal to t into square root of t square minus a square minus I1 I am going to write. This I am taking as I1. See how I am doing. I is equal to t into square root of t square minus a square minus I1, where I1 is equal to integral t square by t square minus a square under root dt. Is it okay? First you see I1. Okay? But now slightly I am changing this. You see how I am changing. Denominator t square minus a square is there. What I am doing, I am writing minus a square plus a square. Is it okay? Minus a square plus a square, both are going to get cancelled, but t square minus a square I want to separate. Okay, see what is going to happen. That is equal to integral t square minus a square under root dt. Okay, this portion is going to become, why? Because numerator without root, denominator with root, same thing means numerator with root is going to come. Okay, plus a square is there. Write down. Plus a square integral dt by t square minus a square under root. Is it okay? Okay, definitely okay. Okay, now you see, what is there? This is I only. I you have taken here. You see, I is equal to t into, this is I, t square minus a square. Okay, here you see I, t square minus a square is I. Then this is going to become I. I1, I is equal to, you see, I1 is equal to, see what I am writing. I1 is equal to I plus a square into, now stop and analyze this. Integral dx by x square minus a square under root. See, here denominator a square minus t square means automatically sin inverse x by a or sin inverse t by a will come. But t square minus a square, that means log root is there, 1 by 2a will not come. Log modulus, see here x is not there, t plus square root of t square minus a square under root plus c will come, plus c finally we will write. Okay, now I1 is equal to this one, but this I1 you substitute in I. Where is it? Here you see I is equal to both these. Okay, write down. Comma I is equal to t into square root of t square minus a square minus I1 minus I1. I1 is what? Minus I. Okay. Again plus is there, outside minus is there. Minus. That means again minus a square log modulus of t plus square root of t square minus a square under root modulus close. Okay. See, one step I want to jump. Why? What I am going to do? This minus I goes this side. It is going to become 2i. Then I will be divided by 2 without this I divided by 2. See what I am writing now. See what I am writing. I is equal to t by 2. Okay. T by 2 square root of t square minus a square minus a square by 2 log modulus of t plus square root of t square minus a square modulus close. Okay, this will be I. See, this will be I, but we have to substitute t value and a value. T value, a value, we have to substitute. Then that is going to become final answer. See what I am doing now. I am going to substitute final result. Okay. Okay. See, I is equal to what is t? X plus 2. X plus 2 by 2. See, x plus 2 by 2 into square root of. See, t square minus a square means directly you take this. This only t square means x square plus 4x plus 1 right now. X square plus 4x plus 1 under root. Okay. Okay. Minus a square minus a square by 2. See, a will be root 3, a square will be 3. 3 by 2. Right now. 3 by 2 log modulus t. T is what? X plus 2. Plus, again, square root of t square minus a square is this one. Complete. X square plus 4x plus 1 under root modulus. Now you write plus c. Okay. This is answer for your fourth question. Take this. We will go for fifth question. See question number 5. Integral square root of 1 minus 4x minus x square dx. How to do this? First let us write in x square plus a square form or a square minus x square form or something. Then we will take x plus 2 or something as t and a as remaining constant. Then we will proceed as per our integration by parts formula. Okay. See what I am doing is x square has got minus. That means what I am writing, you see, minus x square, 4x also minus, plus 4x, 1 is plus, minus 1. Is it okay? First you see, minus of minus plus 1, plus 1. Minus of 4x, minus 4x, minus x square. Is it okay? Okay. Now I want to, what can I say, change this, you see, is equal to minus of, you see, x plus 2 whole square. Okay, see what I am writing, comma I am putting, why? Because not both are equal. X plus 2 whole square, what will be there? Minus of x plus 2 whole square. That is equal to minus of a square plus b square minus 4. Is it okay? Minus of x square plus 4x minus 4. But minus 4 you don't require inside. You require only minus 1. Then what you have to do? You have to add 3. If you add 3 inside, automatically you see what is happening here. What I am doing, you observe carefully. Minus will be like this only. X square plus 4x minus 4 is there, but you require minus 1. Then to counter this, you again put plus 4. Is it okay? Minus 4 plus 4 are going to get cancelled. Minus 1 is going to come. Okay, this is required for you. Okay, what we have written extra for this formula? Minus 1 plus 4. That means plus 3. Plus 3 you have written. Is it okay? 4. See, minus 4 already is there. Oh. X square minus 4x. Wait a minute. Here minus x square plus 4x minus 1. X plus 2 whole square. X square plus 4x okay. But plus 4 has to write here. Plus 4. Plus 4. This is x plus 2 whole square formula. Outside minus is there. Okay. But this is x plus 2 whole square formula. But you require this one. Okay. See what I am doing now. Just a mistake happened. Okay, see. x square plus 4x minus 1 is there, but you have written plus 4 minus 1 you require, then minus 4 you keep. Is it okay? Now you see x square plus 4x minus 1 is there, plus 4 minus 4 are going to get cancelled. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see this is up to x square plus 4x plus 4 is x plus 2 whole square, minus 5 is there. That you keep in our mind. That means minus of x plus 2 whole square minus 5. Is it okay? See, minus 5 is there, means minus equation automatically this is going to become plus 5. See what I am writing now? 5 minus x plus 2 whole square. Is it okay? See, afterwards we will keep root. We are doing rough calculation like you think. 5 minus x plus 2 whole square. Is it okay? Why? Because see, minus x square minus 4x minus 4 will come. 5 minus 4 plus 1. Okay, okay. But again this you keep like this. Root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square under root. Is it okay? Now by seeing this, you change this. See what I am writing. I is equal to, or don't write I now itself. Why? Because wait. This integral is going to become like this. Root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square but under root dx. Okay. See, this is like rough you think, and I am going to remove this. Okay. After that you don't require this. Okay. Now this has become this one. This also I am writing this side. Integral root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square but under root dx. Okay. See now what I am going to do, I am going to take x plus 2 as t, root 5 as a. T is equal to x plus 2 comma root 5 is equal to a. Okay. If that is the case, this I am going to change like this, you see. Integral, now I is equal to integral. Now see, a square minus t square. Dt. A square minus t square outside dt. Dt means into 1 is there, into 1. Okay? Shall I write formula? No, we have habituated. We are going to do without that formula. See, u a square minus t square under root integral v dt minus integral d by dt u a square minus t square under root again integral dt whole dt. Okay? Okay. Write down now again I is equal to, see, integral dt is t. T into square root of a square minus t square minus integral d by dt of a square minus t square. See, 1 by 2 root t, 1 by 2 root a square minus t square again d by dt of a square minus t square minus 2t, minus 2t. Integral dt is t, dt. Okay, 2 going to get cancelled, minus t square. See, minus t square only you require. That is equal to t into square root of a square minus t square minus integral minus t square dt, minus t square dt by a square minus t square, a square minus t square. As usual, I am taking this minus t square dt by a square and t square as I1. Okay? Let me take. See what I am doing now. I is equal to t into square root of a square minus t square under root minus I1, where I1 is equal to integral minus t square by a square minus t square under root dt. Okay, this one. See here a square minus t square is there. What I am doing, you see, a square minus a square. Is it okay? A square minus a square going to get cancel each other. Minus t square by same thing will go to happen. But what I am going to do, a square minus t square by a square minus t square root. I am going to make separate minus a square something. You see what I am doing? That is equal to integral a square minus t square, but this will come under root first one, okay, minus a square integral dt by a square minus t square under root. Why I have taken a square outside? Because a square is constant, a is constant, a is constant, that is why I have taken out, okay, that is not a variable. Okay, now what is this again? This is I only. I. This is I. That means I1 is equal to, see what I am writing now. I1 is equal to I minus I1 is equal to I minus a square. Wait. This is I, okay, but what about this? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. You see, you think a square or something as 1 like in your memory brain. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x by a. For sin inverse x by a, 1 by a will not come front. For tan inverse x by a, 1 by a into tan inverse x by a will come. Okay. Now sin inverse x by a. See what I am writing. A square into sin inverse x means here t by a. Okay. Now see, this is I1. You substitute this I1 in I. Where is I? This is I. I is equal to t into square root of a square minus t square under root minus I1. I1 is what? I. Here minus is there, minus of minus, it is going to become plus a square sin inverse t by a. Okay? Okay. Now, see, I is equal to this. I going to come this side, 2i it is going to become. 2i is equal to, write down. 2i is equal to t into square root of a square minus t square plus a square into sin inverse t by a. See, this is 2i. I is equal to divided by 2. T by 2, a square minus t square under root plus a square by 2 sin inverse t by a. Okay, plus c we will write afterwards finally. Okay, and now substitute t and a values. I is equal to t by 2. What is t? X plus 2. X plus 2 by 2. Write down. See, this a square minus t square under root, complete this one you write 1 minus 4x minus x square under root plus a square. A square means, see, a is root 5, a square means 5, 5 by 2. A square root 5 by 2 sin inverse t by a. T is what? X plus 2. A is what? Root 5. Don't forget it. Close. Plus c. Okay. This is final answer for your question number 5. Take this, we will go for 6th question. Okay. Okay. See question number 6. Integral square root of h square plus 4x minus 5 dx. Okay. Now let us separate this x plus 2 whole square minus a square or something like, we will do it. Afterwards we will proceed. Okay. See what I am doing now. If it is looking like x plus 2 whole square nearest, x plus 2 whole square. See, let me write x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square is equal to h square plus 4x plus 4. But here minus 5 is there. Then what we have to do? We have to do like this. You see, h square plus 4x plus 4 is this one. But you require minus 5. Then you remove this 4, minus 4. Understand now? Now is it okay? Why? Because h square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 going to get cancelled, minus 5 only is going to become. You see, up to here you are having this formula x plus 2 whole square. minus 9 you have to write. That means you how I am writing x plus 2 whole square minus root 9 whole square. Is it okay? Why? Because this is going to become minus 9. Minus I have kept root 9 whole square. Don't write only 9 here. Always you write in square form. Okay? Then only it will be correct. See how I am changing this. See, I am changing this as like this. Integral square root of x plus 2 whole square minus root 9 whole square dx. Okay. Now I am removing this. Okay, I am removing this. Okay. See, even after writing this, we have to take x plus 2 as t, root 9 as a. Write down. Let t is equal to x plus 2, comma a is equal to root 9. Okay, root 9 as a. Okay. Now proceed further. Now see, now this is going to become square root of, you see, I is going to become integral square root of t square minus a square under root dt. Into 1 you can keep afterwards. Okay. T square minus a square. T square minus a square dt. Okay. See, now this you have to proceed as per this. Okay. Write down that is equal to u into v. V is 1 into 1. Okay. U t square minus a square under root integral dt v dt minus integral d by dt of square root of t square minus a square, again integral dt whole dt. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. Now write down what will happen. I is equal to, okay, dt integral dt is t. T into square root of t square minus a square under root minus integral d by dt of t square minus a square. You see, 1 by 2 root x. 2 root t square minus a square. Again d by dt of t square minus a square. 2t plus 2t. 2 into t. Integral dt is t dt outside. That is equal to. You see, these two going to get cancelled. I is equal to t into square root of t square minus a square under root minus integral, see, t into t square divided by t square minus a square under root dt. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take this as I1. Okay, I is equal to, see how I am writing, I is equal to t into square root of t square minus a square minus I1, where I1 is equal to t square divided by square root of t square minus a square integral dt. Now see what I am doing this. This is actually I1, but this I am changing. See, denominator t square minus a square is there. Minus a square. Okay, not okay. Plus a square you have to keep again. Plus a square. Now okay. A square minus a square are going to get cancelled. T square by square root of t square minus a square is going to appear like. Okay. Now you have to split this. See how I am splitting. That is equal to integral t square minus a square under root dt. This is plus a square. Plus a square integral dt by t square minus a square under root. Okay? Definitely okay. See, now if you go back, this is I. This formula you have got. See what I am writing now. I1 is equal to I plus a square into, what is this formula? T square minus a square. Square root is there. 1 by 2 will not come. Directly log modulus t plus square root of t square minus a square. Okay, plus c we will write afterwards. See, this is I1 value. This I1 value you have to substitute in I. Write down. I is equal to t into square root of t square minus a square minus I1. I1 is this one. I outside minus is there. Minus plus minus a square log of t plus square root of t square minus a square modulus close. Okay. See now minus I is there. I am sending minus I this side. 2I it is going to become. Then I will be divided by 2 without this minus I. Divided by 2. I am writing directly I value. See how I am writing. I is equal to t by 2 square root of t square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of modulus t plus square root of t square minus a square modulus close. Okay? Okay, see now let me conclude final result I am writing. I is equal to t value and a value. If you substitute, this will be the final answer. You see I is equal to t is how much? X plus 2. X plus 2 by 2 square root of t square minus a square means final thing. This one you have to write x square plus 4x minus 5 under root a square by 2. See a is root 9. A square means 9. 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 log of modulus t x plus 2 plus square root of t square minus a square means again x square plus 4x minus 5 under root modulus close plus c. Okay. See this is answer for your 6th question. Take this, we will go for 7th question. Okay. See question number 7. Integral square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square dx. Okay. See here x square is okay, but 3x is there. 2ab tx comes means automatically you have to keep in your mind that b will be 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 or minus 3 by 2 we will see accordingly. Okay. See what I am writing now. This is minus, this is plus means how I am writing, you see. First of all I am taking this as like this, you see minus x square is there, then minus of plus has to come means, see this has to come x square, but this is plus means minus 3x, this is plus means minus 1. Is it okay? First you see minus x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 3x plus 1. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see implies I am keeping. We will do rough work, then finally we will write here. See what I am doing. Minus of, see, x plus 3 by 2 whole square. What will happen? Implies I have kept not equal to. Okay, x plus 3 by 2 whole square. That means, see, x square, I think minus we have to keep. X minus 3 by 2. Okay? X minus 3 by 2. Why? Because here x is there. Outside minus I have taken common. X square minus 2ab. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. Like 3 by 2. X square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2. 2 going to cancel. Minus 3x will come. Minus 3x is there. Plus b square. 9 by 4. Is it okay? Okay. But you don't require this. You require minus 1. Then what I am going to do, you see. Logically, minus I am keeping x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4 I have kept as per this formula. But you see, you require minus 1, na? Write minus 1. You remove my plus 9 by 4 by minus 9 4. Is it okay? Definitely okay. See what I am going to do now. That is equal to minus of, this is x minus 3 by 2 whole square up to here, minus 1 minus 9 by 4, minus 4 minus 9, minus 13 by 4, minus 13 by 4. That means you see minus 13 by 4 is there, but you don't write like this. You have to write in square form. That means, see, this is 2 you write, this is root 13 you write, you make it as a square. You understand? If you do like this, automatically minus of minus is going to become plus. Then what you have to write finally? root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square under root. Okay, you have to replace this with this. This much of brain work you have to do. Okay? See what I am writing now. This like this I am writing. Okay? See, that is equal to square root of root 13 by 2 whole square minus, see, x minus 3 by 2, I want to write 2x minus 3 by 2. 2x minus 3 by 2. 2x minus 3 by 2 whole square under root dx. Okay. Now remaining all I am removing. Okay, remaining all. If you want, you pause and note down. Okay, how I have made this calculation and all. Now what is to be done? We have to take root 13 by 2 as a, 2x minus 3 by 2 as t. Write down. Now a will be root 13 by 2, comma t will be 2x minus 3 by 2. 2x minus 3 by 2 will be a. Sorry, t. Okay. Now you see what I am writing. This is like a square minus t square. Write down. I is equal to integral of square root of a square minus t square dt. Shall I write like this? Definitely I can write. Okay. Then proceed further. You can do this integration by parts. Okay. Okay. U a square minus t square under root integral dt. Why? Because into 1 is there, like you think, minus integral d by dt of a square minus t square under root. Again integral dt whole dt. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. Now write down. I is equal to, see, dt, integral dt, t will come. T into square root of a square minus t square minus integral, you see, d by dx of square root of a square minus x square is 1. First 1 by 2 root x will come. 1 by 2 root x means here a square minus t square. Again d by dx of a square minus x square. D by dt of a square minus t square. Minus 2t will come. Minus 2t into integral t dt. Okay. See here 2 going to get cancelled. You see what is going to happen. That is equal to t into square root of a square minus t square minus integral. You see, you write minus t square only. Why? Because here minus t square is there. Minus t square. Minus t square. What I need to say, don't send this minus outside for making plus. Okay. T square divided by a square minus t square under root dt. Is it okay? Minus t square. Okay. See what I am doing now. I am taking this I is equal to, this is what? This you write here, t into square root of a square minus t square minus I1, where I1 is equal to this one. Integral minus t square by a square minus t square under root dt. Okay, this I1. But I1 I am changing, you see, a square is there, now put a square plus a square. Again you put to minus a square. Is it okay? A square minus a square going to get cancelled, minus t square by same thing is going to happen. But this you can convert, you see how. Integral root of a square minus t square dt minus a square dt by a square minus t square under root. Is it okay? Okay. Now see, this is like I1 is equal, this is like I again, I1 is equal to I minus, write down. I1 is equal to I minus a square, stop. What is this formula? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Like why? Because a square minus t square means 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x by a. Write down. Sin inverse x means here t by a. Okay? Now see this I1 you have to substitute in I. Again, right? I is equal to t into square root of a square minus t square minus I1. I1 means I minus of minus plus a square sin inverse t by a. Okay? See, this is I, but here also I is there. 2I. Write down. One step. That is not a problem. 2I is equal to t into square root of a square minus t square plus a square into sin inverse t by a, comma. This is 2I. I is equal to, write down. I is equal to t by 2 square root of a square minus t square plus a square by 2. Why? Because I. 2I is a square. I is 2 a square by 2. A square by 2 sin inverse t by a. Sin inverse t by a. See, this is final I value in terms of t and a. But t value, a value, how to substitute? Okay, write down. T value, a value, how to substitute? I am substituting. You see, I is equal to t means what? 2x minus 3 by 2. 2x minus 3 by 2 divided by 2. 2x minus 3 by 4. Write down. 2x minus 3 by 4. See, this a square minus t square means you write this entire this thing. 1 plus 3x minus x square. This one you have converted in this form. Plus a square by 2. A will be root 13. A square means root 13 by 2. A square means 13 by 4. 13 by 4 divided by 2. 13 by 8. 13 divided by 8 sin inverse t by a. T means what again? 2x minus 3 by 2 divided by a. A means what? Root 3 divided by 2. 2 going to get cancelled. Into root 13 into 2. 2 going to get cancelled. Okay? Plus you see we can write, but let me finalize this. You see here 2x minus 3 by 13 will come. Or shall I remove this 2 and 2? Why? Because I want to write once for all the answer here. 2x minus 3 by root 13. Why? Because this 3, that 2, this 2 both are going to get cancelled. Now you can write plus C. Okay? This will be final answer for your question number 7. Okay? Take this. We stop this class here. We will finish remaining 4 questions in the next class so that this exercise can be completed. Okay? Thank you very much.